Well, we were just at the mall and came across this machine. Magic Chest, $1. It says a chance to win a PSA graded card hidden in any slots. Oh my gosh, imagine. Go for it, Tommaso. Pick a lucky one. That's $1. Oh. All right. That's definitely not a PSA graded card, is it? Maybe next time. What'd you get? What is it? Oh, cool. Here's another $1. I got 2 more.
I like the Blitzo.
I'll hold those. Go
I
ahead.
like the Blitzo.
You like Blitzo?
Let's go for
How about the far left one?
this one.
No, all the way to the left. Yeah. Try it. Graded card? Probably not.
It is really heavy.
Okay, let's see what's inside. Maybe this will be a fun surprise. Any kind of Pokemon card's a fun surprise, right?
Yeah.
They make them very hard to get into. You thought it was heavy? Can I see the card?
I thought it was heavy.
Okay,
I like that one.
that is nice. Okay, one more $1. There you go, honey. Go all the way to the right, maybe. Yes. Last one. Go ahead. Turn it. Let's see what we get, Tommaso. Put some muscle into it. Okay, what is it? Rip into it, come on. They make them so hard to open. It's like we're opening gold. Okay. 2 cards for $1, hey? Oh well, thanks for watching, guys. Hey, we have a lot of videos on our channel, longer ones. Check them out. Bye.